Today let's see what is flyweight pattern. It's a structural design pattern that reduces memory usage by sharing common data across many objects. It separates into intrinsic state which never changes and extrinsic state that are passed from outside changes per object. So use it when you have thousands of similar objects that repeats the same data. Remember these points: structural, it reduces memory usage, segregates into intrinsic and extrinsic. So without flyweight pattern, let's see an example here. We have a tree class that has x and y, and name, color and texture are the fields which are going to be same over time. Now I have a forest class that has a plant tree method that takes all these 5 fields, and if you see from the client, if I call the name, color and texture, I'm going to repeat the same thing. If I imagine if I have some thousand and lakhs of plant trees, that is an overhead, right? Now how to solve this with flyweight pattern? The one which are going to be common, which never changes, keep it inside this tree type. We created a new tree type here, and that takes all this name, color and texture in this constructor. Now create a factory that has a dictionary. The key is string. The key is nothing but the name, color and texture that you will be passing, and the tree type is new class that you have created. And the tree, now instead of taking all the 5 parameters, now x, y, which are going to be extrinsic, and this is going to be intrinsic, that is not going to change. Now when you have this plant tree method, now it takes x, y, name, color and texture, but this name, color and texture, right? The factory is responsible to create the tree type, and that tree type is passed here. Now that will construct this tree type. So now from the client, if you call this, right, the same name, color and texture, it is going to come here. The tree factory is going to see whether that key is present or not. If it is not present, then it is going to create the dictionary key and value. So the next time when you call with the same name, color and texture, it will find that key, then it is going to return the dictionary instead of creating that object. So that is how the flyweight solves the memory usage problem.